Hare Krishna, my name is Seva Das. I serve as a general manager in the ISKCON Congregational Development Ministry. So we put this presentation Connect together because we saw that all the devotees in our ISKCON family, they work very hard to push this movement. They go out to distribute books, they do Harinam, they do Prashant distribution, they do home programs, Ratha Yatra, many activities. But unfortunately, the effort that we are putting is not matching the result that we get. So to balance the scales up, we need to add a simple step, and this step is follow-up. When we follow up on the people that we contact, we can get much better results. This is guarantee. So this is not another program, another endeavor. This is just how this is about learning how to get more from what we are already doing. So during this presentation, together, we will take a step back and we're going to question ourselves. What we do, what we want to accomplish. And also, we're going to explore different ways to perform differently in a daily basis so we can get the most of what we are already doing it. We will go through 7 simple steps that will change our behavior. Learning those, we will get more people connected to Krishna. So if you think that you can learn something, please come. If you are already applying those principles, also come and share with us so other devotees can benefit from it. So I will be eagerly waiting for you. So please connect with us in our website, isconcongregation.com, or through our Facebook, ISKCON Congregation. Hare Krishna.
Sekar Jai Jai Kore Pare